Hey, what's up, guys? It is Fitz again. It's been a while since I last posted a video. Actually, it's been a year, and quite frankly, second semester was quite a busy year. I'm just gonna give you guys some update of what happened in the past year, pretty much. So if you guys notice, I actually got braces a couple months ago. Um, I developed posterior open bite. That's just fancy word for basically my back teeth weren't touching. But that's beside the point. I'm just gonna give you guys a rundown of second year as a whole, which was 3 semesters, and then uh, the first semester of third year. So I'm currently a third year, and I'm in my second semester of third year. All right. So last summer, I actually enjoyed that summer. That summer was the start of second year. A lot of the upperclassmen would say stuff like that summer was the worst summer in dental school, but I actually enjoyed that summer. I felt like it was somewhat the transition from a lot of the basic sciences that we were taking first year into more dental related or dental relevant subjects and topics. I was going to go through the list of all the classes we took up until this point, but that was just going to take too long, especially if I had to talk about them. So I'm just going to go through them really quick, and then after me talking, I'll start showing some pictures that I did of a couple of my works and just videos and stuff, and I hope you guys will enjoy that. All right, so the summer of second year, the first semester last year, we started with Intro to Evidence-Based Dental Practice. We took Host Defense, uh, Fundamentals of Occlusion, Oral Maxillofacial Radiology, General Pathology, Preclinical Operative Dentistry 2, and Preventative Dentistry. So in the fall, we started with Clinical Management of Dental Pain, Oral Pathology, Preclinical Operative Dentistry 3, Preclinical Fixed Prost 1, Period Treatment Planning, and Principles of Endo. Alright, so spring semester of second year rolls around, and that's pretty much the semester where stuff hits the fan. It was a very hectic semester because we're taking tons of classes. I felt like for some reason there's a little bit of enjoyment to it, I must say, because we were taking a lot of dental related classes. We were also taking a review class for boards, and pretty much a review class that dealt with most of the basic sciences. So other than that, with boards, I felt like the semester was okay. Um, or maybe I was just having too much fun. Anyways, the classes were taken. Service learning too. I feel like we're always taking service learning, and that just pretty much community service stuff. Uh, we also took professional care and practice management. We also started Fixed Pros 2, and this is basically a class dealing with a lot of crown and bridges. And then I talk about the basic science review class for National Boards Part 1. And then we also took basic endotherapy. So endo started in the fall. We continued into the spring. And basically with this continuation, we started doing a lot of actual endo on the mannequin, where we basically did root canals on the mannequin, on fake and on real teeth. We also took public health and dentistry, and I think with that class we went around to elementary school and we played sealants and we did OHI and basically did exams on kids as well. So that's second year in a nutshell. Before I start showing the pictures, I just want to say third year is the best year. I started clinic about 3-4 months ago. And in the summer of your third year, we pretty much do 50-50 of clinic, and we also do didactics or bookwork as well. We're pretty much at that stage. We see around one patient a day, and then probably have class in the afternoon or class in the morning, and then have a patient in the afternoon. And with the exception of a few days where we would actually see 2 patients a day. But yo, third year is definitely the life. I felt like second year was kind of gloomy, actually, in the sense. because you're like at the stage where you might be getting a little bit frustrated with all the bookwork, but at the same time, you get very numb, or you get very immune to it. So in terms of stress, I handle my stress differently. I didn't make it get the best of me because, as I said before, I was numb to it. So yeah, but after third year rolls in and you're like, wow, life. So you feel dealing with patients is definitely rewarding. You get to sit down with people, your patients, and you pretty much get to know them. You'd be surprised how much people open to you when you're actually working on them, or just sitting talking to them. They just tell a lot about their family life or whatever problems that they might be having, and just how grateful they are when you pretty much take them out of pain or help them out, teach them how to brush. Even simple things like that. So definitely third year is the year that a lot of us we're looking forward to, and it's definitely worth the wait and worth the hard work. And it's a learning process literally every day. I go into clinic and I feel like I have a set plan of what I'm gonna do, what kind of injection I'm gonna give, and how I'm gonna start the procedure from top to bottom. And then I go in and there's a curveball, stuff like pre-medication or need a med consult, or professor says no, that's probably not the best method to go. Here's a better method, and something I probably never did before, and I actually just learned something new within that whole time. So yeah, clinic definitely rewarding. So that's pretty much second year in a nutshell. It might be one of the more difficult years in general, but I feel so far, but I feel like overall it's rewarding. It's worth the hard work and it's worth the hustle. In general, dental school can be frustrating. It can be hard, but I feel like a lot of it, or a lot of your perspective, comes from your attitude. If you have a positive attitude, um, you tend to deal with things a little differently, in the sense that you might not get stressed over the small things. I mean, stuff happens. Even in third year, stuff happens. So I feel like it's just your outlook and your attitude, pretty much. I like to think of it like I'm pretty much lucky or just blessed or fortunate to actually just be a part of the experience or getting this education. So yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make it through. I have a year and 9 months left, and yeah, I'm just ready to just enjoy the bit of time I have left. So yeah, I'll probably be posting some update sometime in the near future. Can't make any promises. But yeah, good luck, guys. Stay motivated. Keep grinding. To do what you gotta do to actually make it to your dream. It's definitely worth it. Peace. Although people keep saying amalgam's going out of style, but it was actually one of those cut. Um, we also did. Who am I sucking right now?